everyone. Today we will discuss about VLSM, variable length subnet mask. Okay. In the previous video, we will discuss about the fixed length subnet mask, in which a company assigns fixed IP to its separate floors, right? If we take the different IPs, we get the loss of the IP, right? For more details, you can check this previous video of FLSM. Then today we will talk about the VLSM. On the first floor, we assign the 60 IP, second 30 IP, okay, third 10, fourth 6, and last is 2. Okay, so how we can save our wastage of IP through VLSM? Let me start. Then our first IP, the given IP address is 172.17.0.0. Okay. Then start with our first step. Step 1. Find the host bit. Right? Starting for the last floor. Ground floor. 2 is to power n subtract 2 is greater than equal to 60. 2 is to power 6. We can directly write this. 2 is to power 6 subtract 2 is greater than equal to 60. So 64 subtract 2 is greater than equal to 60, right? The value of our n is 6. Okay. Then our second step, step 2, DSM to CSM, right? Two five five dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 255.255 dot 8. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I can write this like 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 192. Okay. Then step 3. Find the block size. Block size is 2 into n. And 2 into power n. 2 is 2 power 6 is equal to 64. 64 IP we assign. So let me write the IP 107.0.0 is our network IP. 172.170.1 valid IPs, up to 172.17.0.63 broadcast IP. This is the IPs of ground floor. Okay, then we write the IP for the first floor. Again, same step. Find the network host bit. 30, right? Two is to power n, subtract 2 is greater than equal to 30. 2 is to power 0, put in 2 is to power 1, 2 is to power 2, up to 2 is to power 4. Subtract 2 is greater than equal to 30. Then put 2 is to power 5, which is the 32. Subtract 2 is greater than equal to 30. What will come? 32 subtract 2 is greater than and equal to 30. So the value of n is equal to 5. Right? Then step 2, DSM to CSM. Right? 255.255.0, 255.255.255.3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. So what the value will come? Okay. Then step 3, block size. 2 into power n. 2 into 5, 32. So let we put our IPs 172.1617 dot IP used after this 64 dot 64 is our network IP. Then 172.17.0.65 is our valid IP. 172.117.0.66 is valid IP up to 172.17 dot 0.67 up to 172.17.95. 0.95. This is for the first floor. These are broadcast IP and this is our network IP. Right? Next, we will do for the second floor. How many IPs we have to assign on the second floor? 10. Then again, find the host bit. Again, formula 2 is to power n. Subtract 2 is greater than equal to 10. Right? 10. 2 is to power 4. 2 is to power 0, 1. Put 2. Subtract 2 is greater than equal to 10. No. 2 is to power 3. Subtract 2 is greater than equal to 10. No. 2 is to power 4. Subtract 2 is greater than equal to 10. Yes. 16 subtract 2 is greater than equal to 10, right? 14 is greater than equal to 10, right? Then step 2, DSM to CSM. 255.255.0.0. 255 dot. What is the value of n? 4. And put the value here. Dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 255.255 dot. Okay. Next step is step 3. Block size. 2 is to power n. 2 is to power n. The value of n is 4. 16 is the block size. So the IP of second floor is 172.17.0. Last IP is 95. So here is dot 96 is our network IP. Then 172.17.0.97, 172.17 dot 0.98, and our last broadcast IP is 17.109 is our broadcast IP. Dot. Okay. This is our second floor broadcast IP. And this is our second floor network IP. Sorry. Okay. Then for the third floor, same steps we will do. 6 and 2 is for the fifth floor. For this, this is for ground floor. First, this is for the first floor, second floor, third. And third floor, we have to assign the 6. Okay. Another, find the host bit. Again, power n subtract 2 is greater than equal to 6. 2 is to power 3. By practicing, you can also assign that directly. 2 is to power equal to 6. 8 subtract 2 is greater than equal to 6. Then 6 is equal to 6. Value of n is equal to 3. Right? Step 2. DSM to CSM. 255.255.0.0. 255.255.255.255.255.1 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 and 3 is 0. Okay. Then step 3. Block size. What is the formula of finding block size? 2 is to power n. 2 is to power n is the 3. So the block size is equal to 8. Right? After this, assign the value. 172.170.0.110. Right? Our last value. So our network IP is 110. And our valid IP is 172.17.0.11. 172.17.0.11. Next is 172.17. 17.0.113 up to 172.17.0.117 is our broadcast IP. Right? Then R for the fourth floor. We have to assign 2 IP addresses. Starting with the same step, find the host bit. 2 is to power n subtract 2 is greater than equal to 2. 2 power 2 subtract 2 is greater than equal to 2. 4 subtract 2 is greater than equal to 2. 2 is greater than equal to 2. The value of n is equal to 2. Right? Step 2, DSM to CSM. Right? 255.255.0.0, 255.0.110, 255 dot 255 dot. So the after 2n putting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Then step 3. Find block size. Block size is equal to 2 in power n. Block size is equal to 2 power 2 for block size is equal to 4. Then 172.117.0 dot. What is our last IP? 117. So here 118. Then our another. This is our network IP. Then another 172.17.0.119. 172.17.0.11120. 172.17.0.121. This is our broadcast IP. Here is the topic VLSM and hope you all understand. If you have any query, please comment me. Thank you for the today.